Combating vaccine hesitancy remains a priority for the Ministry of Health and Wellness. The COVID-19 pandemic brought a surge of misinformation about vaccinations. Nevertheless, health officials have consistently emphasized the efficacy of vaccines in safeguarding individuals and preventing severe forms of COVID-19. Despite their efforts, dispelling rumors and untruths remains a persistent challenge.
First of all, the Ministry of Health, we use our data to guide us when it comes to the COVID 19 vaccine. We have not noted any deaths related to the COVID 19 vaccine in country, and we have been monitoring possible side effects that you get from vaccines. During the period of the COVID 19 immunization, this led to a lot of misinformation and false information going out to the public, and this affected our childhood immunization program.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sharon Belmar George says a lot of the data collected has been shared with health officials. She says the reach of the vaccines has been increased through community engagement and long opening hours of health and wellness facilities.
We saw the benefits of the vaccine in terms of reducing hospitalization and deaths during that period. So we as a ministry, we will continue providing the public with accurate information when it comes to vaccines and making the vaccines accessible to the public. It's affordable because the policy of the ministry, we ensure that the vaccines are provided free of charge to the public.
The medical professional notes that attempts to achieve island-wide coverage of the COVID-19 vaccine fell short, and this resulted in high hospitalizations, resulting in an immense strain on healthcare workers. The CMO notes that currently the strains of COVID-19 still in circulation have been milder and more symptomatic of the influenza virus.
The influenza vaccine, we continue to make it available at all of our wellness centers, and it is available free of charge. So especially persons who have risk factors like persons with chronic diseases, the elderly, we encourage the public to go to the nearest wellness center to get your influenza vaccines. And if you plan to travel as well, given a lot of those places have a winter season, it is advisable that you go to the nearest wellness center and get your influenza vaccine.
The Ministry of Health has conducted a thorough assessment of its programs post-COVID-19 to identify areas where the management of the pandemic may have caused gaps. Childhood immunization is one such area that has been highlighted as requiring renewed attention. In response, the Ministry of Health has launched an intensive drive to collaborate with communities and parents to boost immunization coverage. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.